Pankaj Advani, the newly crowned world billiards champion, is finally back home.
Yes, he returned home to Bangalore in the early hours of the morning and was welcomed at the airport by friends and family. With the title, Advani became only the second Indian ever after Geet Sethi to win the title in its 139 years of history. Advani beat defending champion Mike Russell to win the prestigious crown in Leeds on Sunday.
An exhausted Pankaj went straight home for some sleep before he was woken up for a media interaction. And of course, joining us now, the man of the moment, Pankaj Advani. Pankaj, welcome to CNN IBN.
Thank you.
I'm sure you're very tired, Pankaj. We'll not take too much of your time, but it's really a privilege to be talking to a world champion on the show today. First of all, how are you managing to keep your eyes open, Pankaj?
It's been such a long journey. In fact, not only this journey of one day, but the journey for the last 13 years has been very tiring, yet at the same time very fruitful, very productive, and I've enjoyed every single moment of it. I think the moments like these really make the journey worthwhile.
Right, Pankaj, has it sunk in yet for you? The fact that the trophy cabinet is almost complete, the professional world title was perhaps the only one missing from there.
I would say that I would actually rate all my 7 world titles on par with each other. Obviously, this is special because this is the first time I've won this title, but it is no less than all the other 6 world titles that I've won in the past. And yes, I think now it is complete, and that no one can ever tell me that this is a title I haven't won.
Okay, Pankaj, let's talk about Mike Russell. He's someone who is an all-time legend, maybe someone you grew up idolizing. Now, Michael Ferreira told us yesterday that was important for you to really bearding the lion in his own den. How do you look at beating Mike Russell?
Michael was absolutely right when he said that it's really difficult to beat Russell in England. And that's what makes the victory so special. That's what makes the victory so sweet. It couldn't be at a better time because Mike was going for his 10th world title and the 3rd in a row. And I thought that the only way to do it is to have a good start in the match. And that's exactly what happened. So I concentrated in the first 1.5 hours, made sure that I got a good lead, and after that, I think it was smooth sailing.
All right, Pankaj, is a slightly tough one for you. Pankaj ko gussa kyun aata hai? This afternoon, you were quite animated at the felicitation. As you said, I let my cue do the talking.
Well, I'm not angry, but when people ask me questions like about whether I'm going to be playing professional snooker or not in England, I think I've already said it 100 times that I am not interested. And I think people need to respect this decision of mine. People need to know what goes behind making such a decision, because I'm sure if any one of you had to go to England for 10 months in a year and rough it out, it is not the easiest of things to do. Especially when I'm doing so well in a game of billiards, I think people should appreciate the achievements that I have in one sport rather than questioning my ability in the other sport. So it's not about being angry, it's about respecting a person's decision when they've already thought a lot about it and allowing the sports person to do what he wants.
Okay, Pankaj, since we're talking about temperament at the moment, how does a 24-year-old keep a check while taking part in an emotionally draining sport like billiards? I mean, it's just you out there alone doing all the thinking and all the playing.
I must say that there are a lot of people who have contributed to my success, my family, ONGC, KSBA, my coach Arvind Savur. They've been a lot of supporters, my college, school. But when I'm out there playing, it's just me and the table, and your opponent can't apply pressure on you. Luckily, this is a sport where your opponent does not apply physical pressure on you. Otherwise, you can see how thin I am. I don't think I would have won in a physical sport. But mentally, you've got to be really strong and you've got to be fit. And that's what the game is about. So you've really got to be at peace with yourself when you play this game.
Right now, since the Thin Man is the world champion also, Pankaj, is this the most satisfying out of the so many titles you've won so far?